Hey friends, if you're tired of spending hours every week planning lessons, I've got something that'll change the game. In this video, I'll show you how to build a weekly homeschool plan using AI. Yes, even if you're not techie, and keep your curriculum Christ-centered and tailored to your child. Let's get into it. Start with the big picture. What do you want to focus on this week in Bible, reading, math, and science? Ask ChatGPT something like, give me a 5-day homeschool plan for a second grader that includes Bible, phonics, addition practice, and a science experiment, all from a Christian perspective. Boom, instant outline. Tweak it to fit your style and your child's needs. Now let's make it personal. I like to take the AI suggestions and plug them into a weekly schedule, either on Google Docs or in a printed planner. For example, if the AI says, Bible story, Noah's Ark, I'll add a hands-on craft or memory verse copywork. AI gives you the bones. You add the heart. Want to make the week more engaging? Head to Canva. Take your AI lesson ideas and turn them into worksheets, flashcards, or Bible-themed games. Use templates like this. Days of Creation coloring pages. Sight word bingo with scripture words. Let Canva plus Magic Write help you build them quickly. Pull everything together so it's ready for the week. I like to create a simple weekly plan. Daily subject focus, links to printables, notes for materials or prep. You can keep it digital or print it, whatever fits your flow. With this system, you'll feel more prepared and more peaceful. And that's it. You just planned a full week of Christ-centered homeschool lessons with the help of AI. Want more resources like this? Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with the grade level you're teaching. I'd love to share some custom ideas with you. Until next time, happy homeschooling and God bless.